Are you considering investing in metaverse crypto coins? It is expected that work on the technology called the metaverse, which is meant to connect the real and virtual worlds, will speed up in the next few days and hours. Based on research that has been done on the market, the global metaverse market is expected to reach more than $47.48 billion in 2023. A lot of people were introduced to the world of cryptocurrency in the year 2021. We talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. We also talk about concepts like non-fungible commemoratives or NFTs and the metaverse. As the year 2023 gets closer and closer, there is a lot more to look forward to. Most people think of Web 3.0 as the future of the internet. In the not-too-distant future, a crypto-based activity that is similar to Web 3.0 is likely to appear. What does the metaverse mean? A network of three-dimensional virtual environments that are based on social commerce is referred to as a metaverse. It is consistently portrayed in futuristic and wisdom fabrication as an implicit replication of the internet as a single worldwide virtual terrain that is supported by the operation of virtual and stoked reality hats. When you enter the metaverse, you will be given an online character that represents you and lets you move around freely, talk to other people, and interact with them. You will be free to do whatever you want, including owning virtual property the same way you would own real estate in the real world. It is even possible for you to create an asset, such as a work of art or a structure, and then sell it to other users of the metaverse in exchange for non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, or other units of value. How would you describe metaverse crypto coins? When we talk about the metaverse, we mean that people's real and digital lives are coming together. This convergence is possible because the internet and blockchain technology have come a long way in recent years. You'd be surprised to find out that millions of people invest in it every day, even though it might seem like a science fiction dream. Since it started, people have given it a total of 400 million euros, and 40 million euros keeps moving back and forth between the accounts every month. Metaverse crypto coins are the tokens that have been used by the metaverse platform to let users buy things inside of apps. Even the most recent transactions with tokens that can only be used once have already happened. Most people on Earth have no idea that the metaverse exists, even though it has a surprising amount of wealth. Let's take a look at some of the best crypto coins for gaming and the metaverse for the year 2022. Number 1. Axie Perpetuity AXS. Axie Perpetuity is a combat game where players compete with their allies head-to-head in real time, brutes or characters. Each Axie is a one-of-a-kind ERC 721 non-fungible commemorative item, and there will only ever be one of each NFT. Axie Perpetuity Shards, or AXS, are governance tokens in the world of Axie that use the ERC20 standard. AXS holders can earn prizes in a number of ways, such as by staking commemoratives, taking part in governance, and playing the game. You can also get AXS by playing games and making your own content. Smooth Love Potions, also known as SLPs, are commemorative ERC20 tokens that can be earned by playing the game and are used to breed new Axies. Number 2. Enjin Coin ENJ. The Enjin platform is a service that lets game generators make commutable and non-fungible means in the form of Ethereum commemoratives that can be used in games. The Enjin platform can be used to buy and sell ERC 1155 tokens. The cryptocurrency Enjin Coin, or ENJ, which is based on Ethereum, backs up the value of commutable and non-fungible commemorative coins. Number 3. Gala GALA. Gala is a place to buy games online that is owned and run by. By playing, participants have the chance to win Gala mementos. The Gala token, which is also called a non-refundable mileage commemorative, can be used as a way for people in the Gala Games ecosystem to trade with each other. It can also be used to have an effect on the games that Gala makes. Number 4. Sandbox SAND. The Sandbox is a metaverse or virtual world that uses blockchain technology and a play-to-earn model of gameplay. The letter SAND shows that the coin is a native mileage commemorative. The metaverse is made up of pieces of virtual land, which are called land. With the help of non-fungible commemoratives, NFTs, and sand, players can make games, play them, and sell them. When making games with the Sandbox Game Maker, it is possible to use the player's digital assets, also called NFTs. Number 5. Decentralized Region (MANA). Users of the virtual reality platform known as Decentraland have the ability to purchase, sell, and manage virtual properties referred to as land on the platform, called Land. You have complete freedom in the manner in which you construct and expand your universe. And you can navigate this representation of the metaverse using the convenience of your mobile device, computer, or virtual reality headset. In addition, you have complete freedom in the manner in which you construct and expand your universe. It is going to be necessary for you to have decentralized mana before you can begin. You will have access to interactive apps, be able to pay for goods and services, and be able to invest additional money in more real estate if you use the Mana currency, which is the local currency. Mana is a well-established crypto for the metaverse that is widely distributed. Because of this, it is appealing to users of all experience levels, including those who have never used cryptography before. Within the Decentraland metaverse, users have the opportunity to participate in a variety of engaging and interactive activities, such as concerts and festivals. These happenings take place in thriving entertainment establishments that are on par with those that exist in the physical world. You have a lot of options and possibilities open to you right now thanks to the fact that Decentraland is still expanding and its development team is extremely busy. As soon as Facebook announced it would change its name to Meta, people became interested in virtual property tokens again. As a result, the price of Mana skyrocketed to a new all-time high of $4.16, setting a new record for the highest price it has ever reached. During this time period, Mana also experienced a growth of 400%. Is crypto the piece of the metaverse puzzle that is still missing? Are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and crypto the last keys that will unlock the entrance to the metaverse, a virtual world? By utilizing NFTs, you will have the ability to obtain access to digital assets, such as virtual houses and businesses. NFTs can be used to purchase a variety of virtual goods, including works of digital art, apparel for your avatar, and other virtual items. Your non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which are protected by the Metaverse blockchain, prevent unauthorized copies of your digital assets or access to those assets in the event they are accessed. In spite of the fact that the blockchain technology that powers the Metaverse has been around for quite some time, the Metaverse itself is in a constant state of flux, which means that it has not yet arrived at its definitive form. Despite the fact that there has been a lot of speculation about what its appearance will be like, the value of non-fungible tokens is still unknown at this time. However, a number of NFTs, including those described in this video, have demonstrated their potential for growth and opportunity. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel for more interesting information. Stay tuned and turn on the notifications bell icon so you know the minute we post another video.